this video, I will help you in understanding Control plus F navigation panel. So to understand the panel, press Control plus F. You can see a panel is appeared on the screen. So type any name like Abhishek. So let me zoom it out. So we can see 1 by 10. 10 means that there is 10 Abhishek in the PDF, and 1 means we are on the first Abhishek in the PDF. You can see 1 is highlighted. So this is the previous button, this is the next button, and this is the close button. So we are on the first Abhishek out of 10 Abhishek in this list. So when you click on the next, so this is Abhishek Arya. So when you click on the next, we are on Abhishek Gupta now. We are on the second out of 10. Again click on the next. We are on Abhishek Gautam, third out of 10. Again click on the next. We are on Abhishek Kals. Again click on the next. We are on Abhishek Sharma. In this way, you can visit all Abhishek in the PDF list one by one by clicking on the next button without scrolling a page at a time. Also, you can go backward by clicking on previous button. So click on the previous button. Currently, we are on Abhishek 5 out of 10 and his name is Abhishek Sharma. So click on the previous button. Now you can see we are on the 4 out of 10 and his name is Abhishek Kals. Again click on the previous button. You can see we are on Abhishek Gautam, which is 3rd out of 10 in the list. Again click on the previous button. You can see we are on the Abhishek Gupta out of 10. We are on the 2nd. Again click on the previous button. We are on the list 1 out of 10 and his name is Abhishek Arya. It has been highlighted with blue color. So these 10 indicate the total number of search query in the list which you have searched. So the total number of Abhishek in the list is 10 and we are on the 1 out of 10. So by this we will move one step ahead, and by clicking on this button we will move one step back, and this is the close button. So click on the close button. Now let's see another example. Let's search Naveen. Press Ctrl plus F, then write Naveen. You can see there are 2 Naveen because this indicates the total of Naveen in the PDF list, and this indicate we are on the first Naveen out of 2. So his name is Naveen Gupta. You can see Naveen is highlighted with blue color. Again click on the next. His name is Naveen Kumar. We are on the second Naveen in the list and there are total 2 Naveen in the list. This indicates the total Naveen and this indicates on which position we are currently right now. So let's see another example. Let's search Rahul. You can see there are total 7 Rahul in the list and we are on the first one like Rahul Saini. So click on the next button. We are on the second out of 7. His name is Rahul Kumar. Click on the next button. We are on the third list of 7. We are on the third Rahul out of 7. So his name is Rahul Katare. Similarly, we can move backward by clicking on previous button. We are on Rahul Kumar again, 2 out of 7. We are on Rahul Saini, 1 out of 7. In this way, you can search in a PDF any name, any detail within a second using Ctrl plus F without scrolling at a page at a time.